So are you also running a digital marketing agency and do you also regularly receive user queries on WhatsApp? Then this video can be really helpful for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to build an AI assistant for digital marketing agencies. So like you, I am also running a digital marketing agency and we regularly receive user queries on WhatsApp. But this is such a time consuming and a tedious task to reply to all of those user queries over and over again. So to solve this problem, I have created an AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. And now whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply will be sent towards that user using the same AI agent which I have created using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you also want to create this amazing AI agent for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's start with a simple example. Let's say I'm going to type hey on this WhatsApp chat and I'm going to send this hey. And once I'm going to send this hey, an automatic reply will be generated and we're going to see that yes, it is saying hello, how can I assist you today? So let's say I'm going to ask, I'm considering a website redesign. Do you offer that service? And I'm going to send this message. And once I send this message, you're going to see an automatic reply will be generated. Yes, we offer website redesign services and the rest of the details. So let's say I'm going to ask another question, which is this. And now let me ask another question which says, tell me, do I have to pay everything upfront? And I'm going to send this message. An automatic reply will be generated. And as you can see, it is going to reply me for website design products. We typically work with payment structure that involves an upfront deposit, with the remaining balance due upon the project completion. Alright, so let's ask another question. Okay, once I sign up, what does the onboarding looks like? So I'm going to ask some questions and the queries, and automatically this AI assistant is replying me in seconds. And you're going to see all the answers are accurate and specific towards my own business. But you must be wondering how this AI assistant knows so much about my business. So I have created a knowledge base and I have used this knowledge base while creating the AI assistant, and the AI assistant is replying using this knowledge base only. You're going to see the cost for website redesign is entered over here. You're going to see that this is the same cost which this AI assistant shared. So yes, this is no magic. This is the power of AI assistant which we are going to create today for our digital marketing agency. So to do this, I'm going to open a new tab and search for the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow by typing pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. Now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow using which we are going to create this AI assistant. But before we move on further and create this AI assistant, I'll show you something really helpful. This is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. Pabbly community is a platform where users share their ideas, workflow tips, doubts and solutions. So if you're stuck at any step, the community is a great resource for guidance. And if you also want to join this amazing community, the link is given in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. So now let's go back towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and now let's not waste any more time and create this AI assistant. For that, we have two options on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. One is sign in and the other one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. But over here, I am an existing user, so I'm going to click on this button which says sign in. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over we're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate marketing, sales and customer support over WhatsApp. So let's click on this access now to access our Pabbly Chatflow account. And once we click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And now we first have to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow to create this AI assistant. And how can you add the WhatsApp number? For that, you have to go towards this add WhatsApp number button. You're going to get two methods, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So you can use either one of this method to add your WhatsApp number. A video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Now you can see that I have already added my WhatsApp number. So let's move on further and create this AI assistant. For that, I'm going to go towards this left hand of the side of my dashboard. But before we go towards this, I'll show you all the features of Pabbly Chatflow are here on the left end of the site. And if you wish to learn about any of this feature in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards each of this feature has been given in the description box below. You can check it out. And now this video is only going to focus on how to create an AI assistant. We're going to go towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow, and we're going to see the total, the active and the inactive AI assistants. But today we're going to build it from scratch. So we're going to go towards this add AI assistant button and name our assistant and click on this add AI assistant button. And now a window like this will appear in front of you, using which we have to create this AI assistant. So first it is asking me for the AI instructions. So if you wish to give a custom prompt, you can select the instruction type as custom prompt and give your own custom prompt. But we also have some pre-built examples to simple this process. We have pre-built examples like AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent and much more. So you can select any one from this also. I'm going to select it as AI agent, and now the instructions are written accurately over here. If you wish, you can definitely add or delete some instructions. If you don't wish, you can keep it as same too. Now let's move on further. After this instructions, we have the temperature. So over here you have to set how creative you want the AI answers to be. If you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I'm going to keep the temperature as 0.2 because I want more focused answers. The next it is saying select the AI to use, so I'm going to keep it as Open AI. For the model, I'm going to select it as GPT-4 or Mini. You can select any another of your choice. Now for the API key, what you have to do is you have to get this API key. For that, you have to open your Open AI API key page. So let's open this page. You can click on the link and open the page. And after opening this, you have to go towards this create new secret key, name your key, select the project and click on this create secret key button. And over here is the API key. So let's copy this API key and paste it right over here in our workflow. Or you can say that AI assistant. And after pasting this, we have to click on this connect. And once we click on this connect, it is saying Open AI key saved successfully. Alright, so let's move on further. Now it is saying AI assistant settings. So we have multiple settings: header message, footer message, stop keyword, retry attempts and fallback message. So one by one we are going to understand all these settings. The first is this header and the footer message. So if you wish to add a header or a footer message, you can simply switch on the settings and add the message over here, and automatically this message will be displayed at the top, which is the header, and for the footer it is going to be displayed at the end. Also, this is not required. If you wish, you can definitely switch it off. Now the next which we have is the stop keywords. You can enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant. So let's say you want to keep the keyword as human, so you have to type human and then press enter to add the keyword. Now let's say what is going to happen is that your user wants to speak to a human, so they can use this stop keyword which is human, and automatically the AI is not going to answer to that user further. A manual review will be needed in order to set back that charge to AI assistant. Alright, so if you wish, you can definitely add this stop keywords. And now let's move on further. The next which we have is this retry attempts. So over here you have to specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. So over here the valid range is between 1 to 10, so you can set it according to your own choice. The next which we have is this fallback message. So over here you have to enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So let's say user has some emergency, so you can simply add your support email address right over here so that the user can contact you on email if they have any emergency. So I'm going to simply add my support email address in this message. You can definitely customize this message according to your own choice. So yes, with this we have successfully completed this AI instructions. Next is this knowledge source. So as I already told you that I have created a knowledge source and I have uploaded this knowledge source using which my AI assistant is replying me so accurately. So what you have to do is first you have to enter your business's unique knowledge in a Google Doc, go towards this file and then download. And you can download this file in a PDF or a TXT format. We support both. And what you have to do is you simply have to download this file. So let's say I'm going to download this file in TXT format. So TXT is preferred because we don't have any limits for TXT file. But if you are uploading a PDF file, file, there's no limit for text PDFs. But if you upload a image PDF, the limit is up to 10 pages. So I'll suggest you go for TXT. It is very easy. You can directly download it from a Google Doc. And what you have to do is you have to click on this choose a file and upload that same file which you downloaded. So yes, you can see that I have uploaded my knowledge source right over here, and this is the proof of successful uploading. You can see the vector ID, you're going to see the time and the date on which I uploaded this. Now let's move on further towards this AI interface. It is saying display heading name, so we have to enter the brand name over here. So as you can see, the name of my company is Growth Wave, so I'm going to enter the brand name over here. I'm going to delete this and enter it. And now for the subheading, you can definitely edit this subheading too, and it is going to automatically change right over here. You're going to see when I edit it over here, it is going to change right here too. So now let's move on further. You can definitely edit this subheading. The next which we have is this initial messages. So you can add up to 2 initial messages. You simply have to type the message and then press enter, and automatically the message will be added. It depends upon you which initial message which you want to add. The next which we have is this disable powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish, you can definitely enable it, or if you wish, you can definitely disable it too. I'm going to keep it as enable and move on further. The next which we have is this footer text. So over here you can use this to add a disclaimer or a link to your privacy policy, and same goes for the footer link too. The next which we have is this user first message. So this message will be sent as the initial message on WhatsApp from the user. So I'm going to keep the user first message as hey. Now let's move on further. With this we have completed this AI interface. We're going to move on towards this styling, and once you come towards this styling, you can change the theme of this AI assistant, the shape, the text colors, and much more. It depends upon you how you wish to make this AI assistant look. You can change the WhatsApp button color, you can change the assistant text color, and much more. It depends totally upon you. Alright, so I'm going to keep it as this right over here. And further, what you have to do is, with this you have successfully created this AI assistant. You will simply have to switch on this toggle button to activate this AI assistant and click on the save AI assistant button. Now if you wish, you can definitely add this AI assistant on your website. You have to go towards this embedded, and you're going to get this script. Using this script you can assign, or you can say you can add this AI assistant on your website, and then whenever user is going to message you from that AI assistant, it is going to automatically redirect to your WhatsApp, and this AI assistant is going to solve all your user queries. Further, what you can do is you can go towards this inbox section of Pabbly Chatflow, and you can assign this AI assistant to a particular user. Let's say if you want to assign this AI assistant to this demo, you can go towards this choose AI assistant and assign the AI assistant and click on this save. Now whenever this demo is going to message me, the AI assistant is going to reply. But if you don't wish to assign it manually to each contact like this, one more settings we have. There's one more solution to this. You can go towards this settings and then towards this inbox settings, and what you can do is you can scroll and assign this. What you have to do is you simply have to switch on this enable AI auto replies, assign the AI assistant to a particular contact list, or if you wish, you can definitely assign it to all your contacts too. You have to select the contact list and the AI assistant and click on this save, and it will be saved right over here. And now whenever any of your contact is going to message you from this list, automatically this AI assistant is going to reply. So yes, these were some few tricks using which you can run this AI assistant for your own business too. So now let's try this AI assistant once more. Let's clear the previous chat and start fresh. I'm going to send the initial message. I'm going to type hey, and I'm going to send this hey. And once we send this hey, automatic reply will be generated. You're going to see it is saying hello again, how can I assist you? So let's say I'm going to ask some questions from my knowledge base only this time. I'm going to show you the knowledge base, and let's say I am going to ask this question, how long before I see the results? I am going to send this message, and once I send this message, you're going to see that the AI assistant is going to reply me, and yes, it is replying me correctly. And now you can see the reply has been generated. Now let's check for another question. Let's say I'm going to ask this question, and I'm going to send them this message which says, do you provide creatives and ad content? And once I'm going to send this message, you're going to see the AI assistant is going to reply me. And as you can see, the AI assistant has successfully replied me, and this reply is exactly the same for the knowledge which we have right over here in our knowledge source. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our AI assistant, and now whenever my user is going to message me, this AI assistant is going to solve all my user queries. So now go try this AI assistant for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.